And there is one more recording for Unit 2, numbers 1 through 25. What is the purpose of this video? The purpose is to allow you to do a quick, fast review of all problems 1 through 25. Now, if you know how to solve and explain the problem, then you need to go to the next one. So for instance, when we go to the first problem, if it's easy for you, go to the next one. So you've watched all 25 videos, you have taken the notes, and then you get away for a day or two. Most likely you start to forget the problems. Why? Because unless you apply this information in your life and you use it daily, you're going to forget it. Okay? So again, the purpose of this recording for a quick, fast review, when you have this on YouTube, just you can mute the screen if you want, so you don't need to listen to me. And you can pause it and take the notes or do a quick scan. And then, oh, I remember how to do that problem, and then move on to the next one. You can go as fast as you want, as slow as you want, but the most important thing is do as many of these problems as possible, change up the numbers, and talk it out with someone. And then once you feel really comfortable, just keep doing the problems or the worksheets or the examples that your teacher is having you do in class or for homework, or go to Math Freckle, go to Khan Academy. You can go to different websites, even Math Prodigy. It just depends what your teacher wants you to use, and make sure you use those programs. For me, the door is wide open. Do as many different problems as possible. Okay? All right, let's get going. So I take away this one. Here's number 1. So I'll just freeze it for a second. If you remember how to do area model, go to the next problem. If not, you would just sit here and pause the screen like this. But 25 problems, if I did one for each minute, that would be way too long. Here's problem number 2. Problem number 3, we have partial product. Remember, there are 2 answers for this one. You can go one way or you can go another. Number 4. And you can always see the standard right there. Number 5. That's it. That's the first standard. Second standard, numbers 6 through 10, 4MBT 5. Remember, if you get 4 out of 5 correct, you pass the standard. So for every single one of these, you need to get 4 problems right. Of course, we would love for you to get all 5 right, but you know what? Sometimes you might miss one. So this standard is multiply 2 two-digit numbers. Let's go through 6 through 10 real fast. Number 6. Notice how we did it using area model. Keep in mind the academic vocab words, the super important pink words. Make sure you are familiar with the language of the problem. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Remember, with standard algorithm and area model, so let's flip those up. There's number 10. You can do it either way, whichever way works best for you. And even if your teacher showed you another way to multiply, you can go that route. Next standard, moving along. So the next standard you can see is, sorry for the side movement, I'm holding my phone recording this. I know it's not professional recording studio, but it will allow you to review super fast. 4OA2 numbers 11 through 15. Multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison. Let's go to the next ones. Number 11. Remember, quick scan. Oh, I know how to do this problem. Super easy. Go to the next problem. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. At 5 minutes. Next one, we have 4OA2, multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison. Oh, wait. Here's number 16. Now, I did make a mistake. Wrong standard. Oops, it happens. So be it. What do I mean by that? Here is the correct one. Okay? So if we're coming down, it's this one right here. 16 through 20. I apologize. I make a lot of mistakes, even live recording. No, I'm not going to go back and record this. Just there it is. Find quotients and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divisors. This is number 16. Please remember dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. Do as many of these as possible, but don't do too many because I'm always trying to figure out when you do long division in your normal life later on when you're about 30 or 40, unless you're doing this in 4th grade. So again, just master it and then move on. Number 17. Number 18. See how some of these are short, fast, simple. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Number 19. Hopefully by now you know some problems have way more to analyze than other problems. So are they all the same? Of course not. Do the easy ones first. Go to the hard ones last. Number 20. And last standard, 4OA3, numbers 21 through 25. Remember, get 4 out of 5 problems correct. This is solve multi-step word problems using the 4 operations. Notice how these are just long. Look at all of that. Pause it, go back and forth. Remember, if this looks like too much, seeing all the notes right away, just go back to video number 21 and see the problem with nothing on there. Okay? This is meant, again, for a quick review to get the notes right away instead of going to the end of every video. Here's number 22. You could pause it, read it silently, go over it. Number 23. $24. And last but not least, number 25. Remember, this is it. 25 questions to prepare for the Unit 2 district assessment. Now, keep in mind, when you prepare for the SBAC, you need to do way more problems than this. This is a starting point. And you know what? Keep practicing as many problems as you can. Whatever your teacher is giving you, and for me, as many different computer math programs as possible as well. All right, the next steps in the future is students will be recording each other and putting these videos up, explaining it their way. Okay, but that's going to take some time. Right now, go through all 25. This was about 10 minutes, and that is a wrap for Unit 2 Fast Review. Have fun studying. Good luck.